In week 1, we introduced blockchain and its role in improving supply chain transparency. Now we're going to build on that by exploring how blockchain can support wider sustainability strategies, including enhancing accountability and governance. Blockchain is essentially a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions securely and immutably. In sustainability, blockchain helps businesses verify claims about their products and services. For instance, Provenance uses blockchain to track the origin of goods, ensuring consumers can trust the claims made by companies regarding their environmental impact. Provenance, 2020. IBM Food Trust is another real-world example where blockchain is applied to enhance transparency in global food supply chains. It helps track food safety issues and enables companies to identify contaminated products faster, reducing recall times and improving consumer safety. IBM Food Trust, 2019. Blockchain also prevents fraud, improving overall supply chain governance. Beyond supply chain transparency, blockchain is being applied in green finance to track investments in sustainable projects. This technology provides verifiable proof of where funds are allocated, ensuring that green bonds and sustainability-linked loans are used appropriately. Similarly, blockchain's role in carbon credits trading has gained attention. Companies can track their emissions and verify carbon credit purchases, ensuring compliance with international carbon reduction targets. But while blockchain improves transparency, it cannot replace ethical leadership. Leaders are still required to ensure that the technology is used responsibly. Freeman's stakeholder theory, 1984, reminds us that businesses must consider the interests of all stakeholders, employees, customers, and the environment when implementing new technologies. Now let's look at another emerging technology, artificial intelligence, AI. AI is increasingly used in sustainable business practices to analyze data and improve efficiency. For instance, AI can predict supply chain disruptions, assess a company's carbon footprint, and optimize resource use in agriculture. Gies et al., 2019, found that AI improves resource efficiency, reducing waste and environmental impact. AI also plays a key role in climate modeling, helping businesses understand future environmental risks. Companies are using AI to predict climate trends, which allows them to make informed decisions about future sustainability challenges. Another key area for AI is energy efficiency, particularly in smart grids, where AI helps manage energy use in real time, reducing waste and carbon emissions. However, as with blockchain, AI requires ethical oversight. The algorithms that drive AI can sometimes inherit biases from the data they're trained on. That's why responsible leadership is critical in ensuring AI is used fairly and ethically. Freeman's stakeholder theory is again relevant here, reminding us that all stakeholders must benefit from AI's use in sustainability efforts. As we move into this week's interactive task, you'll be asked to apply blockchain technology to a supply chain scenario. As you complete the task, think about how technology can enhance transparency, but also consider the ethical responsibilities leaders have when using these tools. Thank you for watching this lecture. In the next session, we'll help you prepare for your final project submission, integrating everything you've learned about leadership, sustainability, and technology.